Minimod is an exploration of landscape and technology. It presents itself as a primitive retreat with a contemporary reinterpretation aiming to become more than just an object. It seeks to create an experience in any remote landscape. Its compact and efficient design enhances the surroundings where it is installed, transforming them into available landscapes. The Curucaca Valley is located in the mountainous region of southern Brazil. The landscape is characterized by its striking visuals and rugged topography, covered by the typical vegetation of Brazil's Atlantic forest. Minimod is situated in a clearing in the midst of this dense forest landscape, next to a steep ravine that offers stunning views of the valley. Minimod proposes to be an alternative to traditional construction. Based on the logic of modular plug-and-play construction, it incorporates the benefits that an emerging industry has to offer. The panels are made of cross-laminated timber, CLT, an engineered wood where wooden layers are arranged at right angles and glued together. CLT has the same strength as concrete and steel, but is relatively new in Brazil. The house follows a compact floor plan with a central living area and two similarly sized bedrooms on either side. Sliding glass doors surround the living area and lead to covered balconies on both sides. These balconies can also be accessed from the two bedrooms. Although the exterior is painted black, inside, the rough wooden boards are left exposed throughout. They are present in the floors, walls, and ceiling. Both bedrooms have bathrooms that can be accessed either from the rooms themselves or from small spaces that serve as closets. A plug-and-play device is one that arrives ready to be connected and used without complications. Similarly, the steps required to install and enjoy a Minimod should be simple and fast. From the factory to the landscape. The building was constructed in a factory near São Paulo and transported 900 kilometers by truck to the site. The house is elevated on stilts to adapt to the sloping terrain. The green roof helps integrate the building into its remote forest surroundings. Minimod presents itself as a primitive retreat with a contemporary reinterpretation. Aiming to become more than just an object, it seeks to create an experience in any remote landscape.